second tutorial, and it follows on from the first one that we did. And as Danielle mentioned, you can go and view that. So in this session, we're not going to look at how to create your profile. I'm literally going to take you now, what do you do with your profile? And it also depends on what do you want to achieve with using LinkedIn. So we're going to have a look at now, how do you take that profile and all the basic content that you put in there, and what do you look at for a specific need? You know, are you job hunting? How do you become an effective job seeker? Or are you at that stage where you need to change your career and you want to transition from one career to another? What can you do to make that happen? It could be that you're already at that level in your career or in your position where you now want to become an influencer, and it's based usually on your industry experience or your job experience. It could be that also you're ready to be a mentor, and how do you position yourself for that? Throughout all of this, what we're going to be doing is looking at the networking guidelines based on those purposes. So let's go and have a look at, so you've created your profile from last time, hopefully. So now what do you do? So are you job hunting, and are you looking locally, or are you looking internationally? We're going to be looking at whether you're going into a new field or a new industry, or how do you specifically look for, how do you go about that job hunting? It could be that if you are trying to change your career and you do want to reposition yourself, then how do you rebrand yourself? Or are you starting your own business? Are you starting your own initiatives? And how do you go about that? So now part of that would be to share your knowledge. And either you have expertise that you want to let other people know that this is what you can do or what you have. But it could be that you're sharing your expertise based on what other people would like to know. So how do we go about that? When it comes to mentoring, you know, we start looking at the amount of experience that you have in your industry or in that particular job experience. And now you're also going to position this profile on who do you want to attract, what type of mentees do you want, and how will you go about that? Or are you literally just in that space where you can actually now, you want to blog about the information that you have, or you want to disseminate any academic information? If you started a new job or started a new company or your own initiative, this is a great place to turn your profile into a networking platform for new customers or clients, or contacting suppliers and building those partnerships.